Need professional cardiology care? Then contact our friendly team to learn more about our range of custom and tailored cardiology care services designed to suit your exact needs. Every one of our health professionals has acquired years of experience in delivering a wide range of medical care solutions and options. Just ask for a consultation and let us prove our commitment to your health. We promise that we maintain the highest level of patient care and commitment. Please, contact us today via any of our contact methods. Our friendly health professionals are waiting to hear from you and answer any specific questions you may have about how we can meet your needs. Your care is our primary concern. Please, don't hesitate to get in contact with us and let us show you all the great options we have.